Okay guys, welcome to a stupid game called Stupid Game. And right here, do you want to know what his name is? His name's Hot Boy Juan. So, yeah. If you disrespect him, then I will disrespect you for the rest of your life. And, yeah, so, let's take this order, and take this order. You've probably already seen other people play this. Kenji, isn't that the Fortnite skin? That's epic. Ranch. You want ranch? Okay. I'll give you no ranch. You have your phone out? Oh, jeez. Fine, you get your order last. Build station. So this guy, he wants garlic bread. So you know our business. We'll give him swirly bread. And then we'll give him birthday cheese with sprinkles. And let's give him some dye, whatever you want to call it, and some grilled chicken. Then let's give him some mustard, ranch, and that. Oh yeah, ketchup. Alright, let's grill it real quick. Alright, it's good. Now let's cut it. That's pretty even, if I do say so myself. And here's the sandwich. Let's make, what does he want? Straight fries. Alright, well, let's give him some curly fries. I think they're pretty cooked. Alright, he wanted ketchup. Oh no, I think that says bacon. Even though there's a tomato, but meh, I'll live. Alright. Let's give him his food. Come on, Kenji. You gave me a 0 on everything. I get 25 points out of how hard I tried. You give me 25 points. Oh, she's fat. Ooh, she's really fat. I want garlic bread. I want cheese. I want cook. I want a grilled burger thing. I want dye. I want dye. Shut up. So, yeah, let's make her order even though she just came in. Alright, so she wants garlic bread. Whoops. And she wants normal cheese, cheddar cheese. Whoops. And she wants, oh, whoops. And yeah, she wants some bacon. Oh wait, she wants dye, so give her Burger King foot lettuce. Let's give her some ranch. Let's see, she asked for that. Give her some ranch. Maybe give her some ranch. Ooh, maybe I should give her ranch and ooh, ranch. I think a good idea would be to give her mustard. Whoops. I guess I'm giving her ranch. That looks good. This is a McDonald's cooking tutorial. And if you don't believe this is true, then shut up. Fry station. Alright, she wanted curly fries and bacon. Give her some cheese. Give her some ketchup. And ranch. You can stop fries by cooking. I already stopped them. They're good enough. Alright, Rhonda. Sorry. She's afraid of her own sandwich. You know, you ordered that. Yeah, totally. This guy's a new customer. I wonder how he's gonna feel. Alright, he was the first one to come, so I always do the first last. Alright, you wanted normal bread. I think that's normal bread. And let's give you, whoops, and birthday cake. I think this is probably for a birthday celebration. So. Oh no, you want birthday cake. Whatever it's called. Cheese, yeah. And no, you don't, you want dye, so I won't give you dye. In case you're wondering, it's tomato. And this is bacon, this is lettuce, this is grilled chicken, this is bologna, I think, and this is also bologna, I think, I don't know. Grilled chicken, I think. Then ranch, mustard, ketchup, ranch, mustard, ketchup, ranch, mustard, ketchup. Yeah, that'll do. Some more mustard, ranch. Alright, and that's good. How should I put this on? Like that. That's good. Grill station. You know how we do things here. Let's heat it up. Alright, I think that'll do. Alright, let's cook the other side. That'll do. Alright. Then that's good. I don't even think I cut anything, to be honest, but oh no, I cut the mayonnaise. Ranch. You want some fries with that order? You know how we do fries. Oh, wrong fries. I'm sorry. Wait, so you wanted straight fries? Yeah, here's the straight fries. These aren't even curly at all. They're just a little curved. Wait, okay. My God, this stupid thing won't get out of my face. Fine, I'll click that. And I'll click that. I'll give you even more. Okay, that works too. Alright. Ranch. Only cool kids remember having ranch on their fries. Alright, let's leave those fries cooking. And Connor. That's your name. And he'd be mad. Okay. You have a DS? Wait, what is he playing right there? Okay, he's clearly bored. So, check on those fries from earlier. They seem good. Put them back in. Here. Whoops. I think I'm actually gonna try and get 75 points on this one at least. Because I was really mean to the other customers. This one I was really mean to. Like, really, really mean. So. He's been waiting for so long, and if I made him a bad burger, I wonder how my parents would feel. To be honest, alright. Give you a perfect ranch. And actually, take those fries out. Put them on the X. That's good. Wait, I don't know how. Wait, so do I stop it in that area, I think? Okay, so why is this taking so long? Here, at least you guys don't have to. Well, looks like I messed up on his order. Build station. Hello? Oh, Stupid ads. Forgot about those. Everyone loves them. Alright. Swiss. Okay, this guy's kind of weird. Now I kind of want to mess up his order, but then again. All these mean things I've done to these fictional customers. I'm sure my bad deeds will come back to me in this time. In my older time. By the way, I'm 50,000 years old. If you wanted to know. So I think I have to cook it until it's orange, so I'm gonna cook it till it's like there. Then yeah. See you. Flip. Alright. That seems good. Then the fry station. I should have been cooking these earlier. That should be a good idea to like pre-cook some fries. Not bad. What can you do? I kind of want to give him ranch on a plate. Nah. I meant R on a plate. This is so laggy! Fries! Okay, they look pretty good. Remember, curly fries don't come like that in real life, so that doesn't look good. I should have spread it all around. What can you do, though? Dawan. 64 in a build station? Did I actually forget ranch? I hope I didn't, but he gave me some tips. Okay. I will spare that man's life, because he is such a good... He gave me tips, and I made him wait for so long. 27? That's so good. I'm ranked level 1 newbie, then level 100 boss. What? Let's see, back data. Wait, no. I remember what happened last time. Okay, I don't have any tickets. Alright, well. This game sucks. I probably will play it again if my progress saves. It probably won't because I didn't save it, and I don't want to save it, so meh.